Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Well, another big down day in the market today, and I just wanted to go over utilities, which have been having great days uh, while the market has gone down. But I think it's time to get off this, to get off this bus. So let's get into it. This is a chart of XLU. It's the utility ETF. And here was the initial inverse head and shoulders that I talked about back in early April and suggested purchasing this. Let's call it at 55. I'm sorry, 65. And the price projection based on this pattern was 76. And you can see that we hit 74 today. So according to the price projection, we have a little bit further to go, but you'll never get the top tick on any of these positions. And as I explained here, it's no longer a favorable reward to risk scenario. So when we first bought this, it was a 3-to-1 reward to risk. Well, now you have limited upside based on the pattern, and you have potentially a lot of downside. And you can also see, we don't know yet for sure, but this could be forming a negative divergence, which, we had a negative divergence back here in 2022 on utilities and saw a huge drop and didn't see these levels again until 2 years later now. So again, the reward to risk is no longer favorable here. So I'm moving to a neutral position. I'm certainly not shorting utilities. But I'm not buying them. Okay. So, I've been selling on all these up days. This week up 4.15% has been a great time to be gradually selling your utility position. And now have it down under 1%. And let's take a look at Southern Company, the stock I mentioned back in April when I went to a buy rating based on this symmetrical triangle, these two converging blue trend lines, which were a really nice 2-year pattern approximately. And this suggested a $90 price projection or 28% potential upside with a reward to risk scenario of 4-to-1, which is really attractive. And you can see we're at 88 currently. So we're a couple ticks shy of the price projection. And again, I'm going to a neutral rating. Uh, the reward to risk is no longer favorable. It's time to cash in, which I've been doing. It sold a lot today, up almost 6% on the day, which is pretty incredible for utilities. And anyway, I wanted to let you know that the risk is to the downside at this point. And thank you for watching. I hope you will like and more importantly, subscribe. I think the content has been good. And thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Have a great evening.